Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Facebook ads to drive SaaS service business growth, right? Facebook ads, you run the Facebook ads to your SaaS business and you make all the money. This is what this video is about. I make this video because a few years ago, I helped a SaaS company scale to 10 mil. And this video is provoked by a question. And I'm gonna read the question. I built a website builder. Is using Facebook ads try to sell it a good idea? It's just a very early stage of selling the product. And what this guy is doing, he's building a software as a service. This is a website builder. Is it a website builder that works with WordPress? Is it a website builder that works with some other tool? Or is it a website builder that works on its own? A lot of people use Facebook ads to promote their SaaS services, especially website builders. And I'm gonna give you a simple example. We have ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is basically Russell Brunson called those marketing funnels, but at the very end of the day, Russell Brunson is selling a tool that helps you build landing pages and a website, and it also has a lot more features. So the first thing that you need to do, if you're just selling like a website builder, let me make this bigger, the competition will be very, very, very heavy. So you need to reposition your website builder. You can niche it down. For example, I did a consulting for a company, and they actually had a website builder, and this website builder was working with WordPress, and it allowed Airbnb renters to build websites. So the first thing you could do would be like, instead of going everybody, the whole market, you can niche down. Who needs a website? Your website builder could work for, let's say, builders, or it could work for construction companies, or it could work for, let's say, beauty salons, or it could work for videographers, photographers, whatever. So the first thing that you need to do would be to pick the niche. Your tool might be great, but if you go after everybody, you just need to figure that out. You just need to figure out the niche. Once you have your niche, let's say you're gonna go funnels for photographers, or you're gonna do like a booking funnels for photographers, or a booking website for photographers, whatever. It's supposed to say photographers, but I won't be able to type it. The next thing that you need to do, you need to actually figure out how to sell your SaaS, right? For example, here on the ClickFunnels website, I can go on the ClickFunnels website and buy directly. Here is gonna ask me for a name and email, and they're gonna kill me with like emails. If I leave my email here, I'll be receiving emails for the rest of my life. 2 emails each and every day. So probably I won't do it, but I can buy directly after the free trial. So it's kind of like free trial to purchase. Probably they're gonna ask me for my debit card on my next step, and this is how they're gonna sell it. I'm just gonna give you another idea. These guys, triple well guys, they're selling like something else. It's like tracking software, but for them to sell it, I need to book a demo. And once I book a demo, I go and talk to a guy. And I did the call with triple well, and they were just like very helpful, very cool people. They asked me some questions. I asked them some questions. It was very cool. They explained me how to implement the service. They gave me a free trial. And after the free trial is gone, I'll be invited to, right? So the reason why I'm saying this, you need to figure out if you are going for like directly, if you're asking people directly to purchase, if you're gonna do a free trial. So if I open any other landing page builder or website builder, Yeah, lead pages. If I open lead pages, again, it's a free trial. If I open, let's say, Wix, it's gonna be, I can get started for, let's say, I'm not sure what's this. I think the currency is wrong. So I can get started again. It's gonna ask me for to create an account. Probably they're gonna ask me for debit card information. So the first thing that you need to figure out, how are you gonna sell it? Are you gonna do a demo, right? Are you gonna, and demo means like a call, getting on the call. The second way would be, are you gonna try to sell it directly? This is gonna cost like, let's say, 27. If I open another example, right, system.io, here again, it's similar like Builder. I can get started for free. I can get started for like 27 per month if I pay monthly. If I pay yearly, it's 230 per year, which I believe it's like a very, very good deal. I can integrate it. So how do you sell it? And are you gonna go for just like email marketing campaign? Like, are you gonna sell it via email? Because if you choose to book the demo, you need to optimize your ads for schedule a call, right? Schedule. If you optimize your ads for sales, you need to optimize your pixel for purchases, right? If you go for the email marketing strategy, you're looking for leads. You want to optimize for leads. So regardless um of how you decide to sell it, you just need to use different optimization. So how I would start this campaign. The first thing, I talked about the niche, right? Pick a niche, make your offer more appealing. Don't sell a landing page builder, sell something else, something that's cooler. Um, the third thing would be, actually, let's say the third thing would be like setting up the ads. So the way I would do it, I would pick the country. For example, you want to start with the USA or you want to start with the UK. The country doesn't matter. The first thing I would do, I would run an interest. I would run a campaign optimized. Let's say if you're trying to sell the product, the campaign will be optimized for purchases. I'm gonna write purchases. In this campaign, it's gonna be manual campaign, and I'm gonna have 10 ad sets, right? 10 ad sets, and each ad sets I'll be targeting exactly the same. I'm gonna do interest targeting, right? Interest targeting, and each ad set will be budgeted between $20 to $50 per day, right? You can do even like 10, you can do also 5, but I suggest starting higher. And I would run this campaign, and I would let this campaign run for 10 days. This will be your test. And based on the results, you're gonna decide. You're gonna decide how it's going. You're gonna decide if you're getting some feedback, if you're not getting feedback, if people like it. But this is the initial stage. This is the stage where you're into like a product to market fit stage. Product to market fit stage, right? You're not sure about a lot of things. There are a lot of things that you need to improve. There are a lot of things that you need to figure out. You need to figure out what will be the core offer, what will be the message, who will be the market. Before running ads, you just have a concept. But once you run ads, you face the harsh reality face to face. The two most important things to be successful with Facebook ads won't be how you structure your campaign. Right? Those things are important. They play a role. But if you figure out your niche and if you figure out a good offer, this will be like 60% of your success, and 40% of your success will come from Facebook ads, right? But without good offer that is narrowed to a specific niche, your ads won't work. So if you're looking to build a SaaS product, or if you already have a SaaS product and if you want to sell it on Facebook ads, those are the steps that you need to take. This is how you need to be thinking in terms of like ads, in terms of like how to build your SaaS. I cannot help you. However, if you like this video and if you want me to help you sell your SaaS on Facebook ads, check the links in the description below. My name is Niko and this will be the video for today.